Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. How are you all this afternoon? Lovely to have you here. What a day, what an absolute day today is. So many things going on right now. Can you believe what is happening with the stock market today? It's absolutely incredible. We've got all kinds of issues, all kinds of problems. The market's continuing to fall. Nothing's picking up. It's getting more and more difficult by the minute. I know it's absolute flipping nightmare. So what do we do in a market like this? It's very, very difficult indeed. All we can do really at this point is just hold out, if I'm honest with you. Selling at this point would be the worst thing you could do. You'll lose so much money. Repositioning is difficult because there's no sense to the market. You can see today, look, we're down 5% today. Did not think we'd go down this low, but we are. I mean, we have to realise we are at the edge of a possible third world war. It's not. This is not a comfortable time by any stretch of imagination. And if you're able to enter the market here, then obviously it's great. You know, you're buying the cheapest stocks you've ever bought in your life. But unfortunately, that's not the position we're in right now. I'm already deeply in and. It is what it is. I hate that phrase, but we are where we are, and there ain't much we can do about it right now. So all you can do is hold on and hope for the best, really. That sounds great financial advice, doesn't it? But really, it's all you can do right now. If we go over to the main portfolio, you'll see what I mean. Let's go into the main trading screen right now. Let's have a little look. And let's go around and let's have a little look. 32,000, our main portfolio is down, as you can see. Root has just gone down and down and down and down and down. SoFi is the same story. Even VU, my most stable asset, is down today 0.5%. But I'm glad I've got 13% of my money in this because it's the most stable part of my portfolio right now. Tesla's down 4% today. It's improved a little bit, but there you go. Rivian 36 down as well, but that's starting to climb up a little bit. SPCE 683. Good morning, Ali. Good afternoon, sorry. Ali, welcome to the party. Thanks for being here. Very, very difficult day today. All right, over there on TikTok, welcome to all of you. What a day. I'm completely out of my Bitcoin. I've sold all my Bitcoin. I've sold all my Ethereum, sold all my crypto, because at the end of the day, I made money on it. But right now should be the time when crypto does its best, because there's manipulation in the market, because there's inflation, because there's corruption, because there's insecurity with a war and so on and so forth. So we should have Bitcoin now at its best ever position. All those manipulators, and hate using the word liars, but I'm going to use it because it's what they are. All those people manipulating everybody on YouTube, telling everybody it's all going to hit this, going to hit that. I still believe crypto is great, but it only works if people believe it. Well, unfortunately, no one believes it right now. And when it should be rising, because this is the best time ever for it to rise, it is falling. And it's why I'm out of it, because other assets that we have, Tesla, Microsoft, Apple, they have fundamentals behind them. They have phones, they have cars, they have whatever. Whereas Bitcoin, the way it's going right now, the way we are right now, could go to zero like that. Like that. If there's one little rumor of it all collapsing, it will drop like a stone, and there's nothing to stop it. So I've sold all my shares in and all my assets of crypto. Hi, Martin. What's going on with the stocks? It's a bad way at the moment. I'm down 40%. Yeah. Tell me about it, Murray. I think we have to understand. I mean, it's quite obvious, really. At the end of the day, we are potentially, I mean, markets trade on nothing more than confidence. And we've just had... We've had bombs go off right next. We're 13 miles away from NATO. And we all know what happens when that happens. We're at a third world war. No one's going to stop it if that happens. So at the end of the day, it's no surprise, if we're perfectly honest, is it? No surprise that markets are spooked out. We have to really realise how serious this is. It's as serious as it could possibly get. You know, we could be at a third world war tonight, tomorrow, whatever. and markets don't like that. So all you got to do is reposition, take advantage of the dips, but don't over leverage. Obviously, don't over borrow, because that'd be a mistake in itself, because you have to have some room. I've used some margin, you all know I have, and my stocks would have to fall another 20% from here for that to happen. 100% nature will get involved, and then we're really in for it then. Now I looked back, and I looked at the world wars, and World War One, World War Two, and World War Two. You all know what happened to the stocks. You can go back and check yourself. You can see there's lots of losses, but lots of opportunity as well. So it's a very complex story. You need to go and look at it yourself. Breaking news: I sold my Apple for Baba, and I'm loving it. Sold Apple for Baba. There we go. I wouldn't have done that, because Baba's a Chinese stock, and I wouldn't put my money into Chinese stocks right now. And I like Apple, so I wouldn't have done that one. But Peru knows more than me, does much better than me all the time. So maybe, but I've got to stick to my principles right now. It's important to stick to what you know, because if you start changing your mind and trying different things, very, very quickly you'll get confused and you will start to get fearful and worry. So be very, very careful if you do that. That's the only thing I would say. Let's have some breaking news.
More than 2.8 million people have
Let me bring the volume up a bit.
Since the end of February, with the majority crossing over into neighbouring Poland, not far from here. But with so many children amongst them, there are growing concerns over how to keep everybody safe. Well, Sky's Lisa Holland.
I'll come back to that in a minute. I want to put out an appeal as well. I don't know if any of you saw the video just before we went live. I don't know if any one of you saw it. An incredibly powerful moment today on my channel, on the Martyn Lucas channel, but I also shared it on the Day Trader. I don't know if anybody saw it, but today I was singing to people, 53 people in a bomb shelter in Ukraine with their pets, cats and dogs and neighbours. They listened to me live. I don't know if you saw the video. I'm completely blown away by that. But I need to put out an appeal. Asking for your help, if you want to help me with this. Okay. I want to explain something to you, just in case you didn't know. Okay. I make absolutely nothing from my Ukraine videos. Nothing, because it's all copyrighted music I do. So I make nothing from them. So that's the first thing. You didn't see it. Okay. Let me give it to you now. You need to go and have a quick look at this. All right. Let me give it to you right now. It's only a few minutes long. You can look at it now. But before you run off, I'm going to give you the link. I'm going to put an appeal out. Okay. Peru did see it. Okay. Let me give you the link right now. Here it is. Go and have a look. But just wait. Just let me tell you something first. Okay. What I want to tell you is this. I make nothing from these videos, okay? Nothing at all, because it's all copyrighted music. And I want to be able to reach people in Ukraine. They are not my audience. YouTube does not show people in Ukraine my daily shows. None at all. I don't have an audience in Ukraine. Why would I? My audience is in America. So I am running YouTube ads. I am paying to get my music in front of them. I'm not making any money from it. I don't get anything out of it, but I am doing it to put music in front of those people and support and let them know we are supporting them, right? You can see the state of my stocks. This is my life savings going to nothing. So basically, I'm paying. I've got a $400 budget that I've got available to spend on, which is basically all the money I've earned the last few months on YouTube, to go into paying for the ads so they will see these songs. Now today, if you watch this video, you will see people in a bomb shelter heard it and they thanked me for it. They loved it. They enjoyed it. Okay? So, but I can't do it forever. If anybody wants to sponsor these events, okay, basically I do them live every day, but then I put ads out to promote them. because without the ads, they wouldn't see them. Okay? So if you have any money at all and you'd like to help me reach the people in Ukraine, let me know. Let me know, and whatever you can donate, I will use that money, and I will send you the receipt. I will send you what it cost me, right? And I will send you the receipt of what I'm paying on YouTube ads, and you can help sponsor those videos. I can't do it forever. I'm just using what I've made on YouTube. All right. So anyway, here is the video in the live chat. Go and have a little look at it. Come back to me if you have a little look, and tell me what you think. If you'd like to support that, then that'd be great. I get nothing out of it other than the incredible honor of doing it. And when I got that message today, it absolutely blew me away. All right. And you'll see the message on the screen I actually got from people in a bomb shelter while I was singing Everybody Hurts by REM. So anyway, I'll be back. Ali, I'll be back. Where are you going? I'll be back. See you in a bit. All right, Ali. Peru Invest saw it. Mullen breakout soon too. There is not enough shares to sell in a market. It will be GME effect soon. I had to get out of it, I'm afraid. I haven't got the money to invest in it. So I'm currently not in it. I sold it all. I was unable to stay in it, I'm afraid. This is my Mullen position. Let's have a look. Where did it go to? Oh, it's moving back up again. Yeah, I'm currently out of it now. I haven't got that money to play with it anymore, I'm afraid. So I'm out of that. But we'll keep an eye on it though for Peru Invest, most certainly. All right. So anyway, if you're interested in that, let me know, and that'd be great. Ali said I'll be back. See you in a bit, Ali. Root is now down 8.82. I'm holding in there. SoFi starting to pick up. VU is starting to pick up. But we're getting things picking up now. Got some breaking news. Here we go. I'll share it with you now.
Is the place they just escaped. Mariupol is a city surrounded, cut off, bombarded. The cruelty, the tragedy is unquestionable, but the crime...
Look at that. That could have been one of the bomb shelters today. I was singing Everybody Hurts. Can you believe it? I mean, it's beyond words. Who have we got over there on TikTok? Thank you very much for the follows. Thanks to all of you. What are your thoughts on TMC? I'm sorry, I know nothing about it. Nothing about it at all, so I can't comment on that. So I'm sorry. Anyway, let's go back to our main stocks. As you can see, this is my Bitcoin position, all gone. I'm out. It's up very slightly today, but really nothing at all. 38,000, it's nothing. It's not doing anything. It's completely disappointing. It's not doing what it's supposed to do at all. I'm very disappointed by it. So I'm currently out of the stock right now. And that's it. Not much to say about it, to be honest. I'm just making an adjustment here for you. Just bear with me a second. Got to just save that. There we go. Just made a slight adjustment there. So Ethereum is down 1.53 as well today. That's down 1.53 as well. So there we go. That's getting lower by the minute. So that's another reason why I'm out of that. But everybody still wants Coke by the looks of things. Everybody still wants Coke, so you can get Coke today. That's up 2%. And I'm glad I've got that because I get a decent dividend from that as well. And I'm also reinvesting my dividends right now on these dips. Sometimes I wait, but right now I'm reinvesting my dividends in these dips. So that's another good thing going on right now. Anyway. That's a Coke. What about Coca-Cola right now? Google is down 2.53. Google is down 2.53 today. Apple is also down 2% today. We've got a very quiet show right now. Very quiet show indeed. Let me go back to the main show and let's see who's with me. It is quiet actually. If you've just tuned in, subscribe and ring the bell. Let me know you're here and give me a thumbs up if you can. Over there on TikTok, how are you all this afternoon? Welcome. This is my portfolio, my real money, my real position. Everything you see here is real. We've got some great traders in the chat. It is very quiet. It is very quiet indeed. And whenever we have down days like this, it is. It's frustrating because I'm always here. I'm always here. But on days like this, people don't trade. And some people are in a lot of pain and suffering. Well, were you trading this morning? No, there's no trading going on right now. No trading going on, just buying dips. But I've done it. I'm fully committed now. There's no more buying dips. It could go to one. I mean, yeah. If it goes to $1, I'll buy everything. But right now, PayPal's having a good day, up 1.29. But the overall portfolio, the overall S&P look is only down 0.5%. It's pretty good. This is why I'm moving more and more into that. Because if I wasn't, my portfolio would be in all kinds of trouble right now. SoFi is bringing me down a lot. Root is starting to come up, but it is what it is. Yeah, everything is falling. That's why no one's here. That's why no one's here. Virgin Galactic is down, trying to come up again. Let's have a look. We've got some more breaking news. I might as well bring you the news. What are the world's markets? Okay, I'll bring that to you as well, as you've asked. Thank you for asking. Glad you remembered that. Let's have a little look. Let's have a look. Here's the world markets. Okay, so we have a little look.
To force him to negotiate and give Russia something for this military adventurism.
So what we've got now is New Zealand opened first. They're down 0.14. Australia, quite a good day today, up 1%. The Nikkei was up slightly. The Hang Seng in Hong Kong collapsed. Of course, I'm not sure exactly what's going on in Moscow. I don't know how they're up 0.5%. But sell your car, house, wife, girlfriend, and buy Mullen. This is just a joke. Just be clear. Yeah. Yeah, don't do that. It's good that you explain these things. Some people might need to explain it. I haven't got any money to buy on it. I mean, I can't use leverage. I can't do that. FT is up. The DAX in Europe was up. So it's not the overall S&P. Look, we're only down 0.5%. It's the stocks we've invested in, the high risk stocks, the high tech stocks. That's why I've moved more into the S&P 500. Right now, you can see why. All right. Okay. So if anybody wants to reach those people in Ukraine, any donation that you make to me, 100% will go to me paying for ads, YouTube ads, to send those videos. Remember, I make nothing out of it. It's just to reach people. That's it. And you saw, if you watched the video, you saw what it actually did this morning. All right. What's Lucid at? Let's have a look. Let's go and have a look at Lucid right now. Lucid is down 6% today and starting to pick up slowly. It is a Monday. It's a hard day, no question about it. But this is particularly difficult. Robinhood is down today, 2.54, but making some ground. 32% down now. What a time to enter the markets. Right now, I mean, it's worse than it was when we had COVID start. But of course, there could be another round of COVID. Anyway, here's some more breaking news for you. Let's have a listen in. Here we go.
In, grabbing people and putting them into trucks.
Oh no, that's a little bit out of date now. We'll come back to that. Lucid, Rivian, Tesla are dropping. Yes, they are. They are. Rivian, Tesla, trying to come up again though, if we look at it. If you look at it now, it is trying to come up again. Anyway, we're going to wind up the show here today because it's very, very quiet. There's hardly anybody here at all. And I don't think anybody wants to trade or invest today. Everyone's running to the hills. Very, very difficult today. Very difficult indeed. Yeah, still down on the day. Yep, SoFi, VU, Tesla, nothing to talk about. I mean, it's just awful. There's no green shoots anywhere. Nothing. Twitter's doing all right. Up today a little bit. Nvidia down, collapsed. Peloton collapsed. Facebook. There we go. GGPI. Gauze 1063. I've got an average of 1076. Not too bad, right? Lucid. I mean, if you've got the money now, enter. But I mean, you can't over leverage. You can't overdo that. I'm up 20%. Peru, congratulations, mate. Congratulations to you. That's awesome. All right. I think we're gonna. We've never wrapped up the show this early, but really, there's only a couple of people here. I don't know what to do. I don't want to trade. I don't know what to do at all. Never been lost for words, but I am today. And if I'm honest with you, I'm a bit emotional today as well. That video that came in, that message which prompted that video really moved me. Actually, I just can't get my head around the fact that I was singing to people in a bomb shelter today. Thanks for the follow, Jehovah. Is it Mr. Relax follow? Loads of follows today. What's your view on gold? I wouldn't invest in it now, to be honest with you. It doesn't do anything. It doesn't solve any problems. That's the thing. I want to be involved with things that solve the problem, fix the problems. And what's Mullen that? I'm being asked, Mullen. This is what. This is where Peru Invest has made his money today. I sold out early. I've got out of it again, and it's gone back up again. Typical, right? Typical. But I haven't got any more money to put into it. All right. Do you know what? I'm gonna end the show today. This is a very painful show. I've never ended the show early, but I'm going to end it because nobody wants to trade in a market like this. No one is here. The only person making money today is Peru Invest. Hiya, Dave, not Dr. Smith. How are you? Ciao. Murray McKine, thanks for being here. We are struggling today. We are struggling. This is a really, really tough day today. Markets are collapsing all over the place. And no one's trading. No one's doing anything at all. So I'm going to take a break. I'm going to try and get more videos out to Ukraine. So if you wasn't here at the beginning, here was this video that just came out. I want you to go and check it out. It's in the chat. This afternoon when I was doing my show, people were in a bomb shelter. 53 people in a bomb shelter sent me a message, and you can see it on the screen, with their dogs and cats while they were being bombed, upset, screaming, shouting, terrified, and they were listening to me sing Everybody Hurts. And they said Elon Musk has provided them with Starlink so they can actually do it. Isn't that amazing? Isn't that amazing? So check out that video, and if anybody wants to help me, I'll just mention it again at the end mention it now as I'm going to close the show. I make absolutely nothing from the videos. It's all copyrighted music, nothing at all from the music videos at all. And my audience is not in the Ukraine. YouTube do not suggest or show anybody my videos in Ukraine. What I've been doing is paying YouTube ads to be seen, to get those people to have some music. That's why I've been doing it. It's why I've been doing it, to reach people, right? Let them know we're supporting them. But I've had a budget of $400 to be able to promote the videos, and I've reached thousands and thousands of people. I can actually show you how many thousands I have. If you want me to show you, I can show you. But if anybody wants to sponsor me, support me, whatever you can support me with, I will spend that amount on YouTube ads. Directly. I do it directly with Google. There's no middleman. I do it directly with Google, the best way of doing it. And it's basically so those people know that I'm there every day. I do my live shows. So just so you know, it's for them, not for me. So if you want to make a difference and you want to do something, and that's what you kind of like the idea of doing, then you can do that, and I will invest that on YouTube ads. All right, that's it from me. I'm gonna take a break today, and I'll be back in the morning. Very, very quiet day today. I want to wish you all very well. Take care of yourselves. Hang on, that's better. Martin, how much do you need for the ads? Every penny counts. I put a budget of $400, so it doesn't matter that any amount, it adds up. I just haven't got any more money to do it. I'm running out of money on it. Okay, let me as you've asked. Let me show you. I'll bring it up on the screen. Hang on. I will bring it on the screen, and I can show you what I've achieved. Okay, and what it costs and how I've done it. Here's my Martyn Lucas channel, and you can see these videos here. If I go to the playlist, and if I bring up the Ukraine songs, you can see here. Let me have a look. How can I show you these with the numbers on them? Videos. Right. Okay, here you go. Here we go. Look. Over the rainbow, 3,500 views. I don't have an audience in Ukraine. This is YouTube ads alone. 3,500 views there. 78 views per hour. Look at that. Incredible. Right? Smile. 3,500. 55 views per hour. And these are all going directly. And I'll even show you. There's another one. You raise me up. 59 per hour. Look at that. I'll even show you on the screen the Google ads, so you can see exactly what it cost me, right? Look, Google ads, and you can see the people that have watched them as well. All right. Google ads, Google ads. Here we are. Here we go. Look, all campaigns. You will see it here. And I'll show you. Look at this. This will blow your mind. Absolutely blow your mind, this will. You'll actually see the people are actually watching. Look at this. Look. Kiev City, 165 people. And apparently they're in groups in bomb shelters. So these guys, 106, there was 58 of them in a bomb shelter listening to me. So there you go. That's what it is. So how can we give well, just the way you normally do, through Super Chat, I guess. That's the easiest way. Through Super Chat. The way you normally do. All right? Or you can become a sponsor member for a month, or however, whatever you like. Anyway, there it is. There's the proof of it. All right, that's what's going on. See, as I hover, look, Lviv 377. See, this is what it's all about. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna get off because I want to make a video about this. I want to be able to reach people. Okay, really, really important right now. And there's no trading going on, if I'm honest, and we can all see that right now. So we're gonna get off, and I'll be back in the morning. But I want to make this video and see if I can get anyone to support me, because you saw the effect. Here is the video you need to see. I hope you all saw it. I'll post it 3 times so you can see it in the chat, and you'll see the message on the screen. But doesn't YouTube take a cut of Super Chat? Yes, it does. Yes, it does. But if you'd rather give directly, I'm trying to take care, everyone. Deepen the Money is here. Yeah, if you want to do it directly, then you can do Apple Pay, you could do Google Pay, you can do, I can take a credit card over the phone, PayPal. Do PayPal if you want. That's my email address, martin@martynlucas.com. Let me give you the email address. Here it is. This is my PayPal. Okay. Anyway, I'm going to get going. There it is in the chat for you. There's the cell phone for Apple Pay, should you wish to do it. All right. All right. I'm going to fly off. I've got to do some more work and help here. All right. Thank you ever so much for being here. we're going to end the show a little bit early because there's no trading at all going on. It's absolutely a nightmare. All right. And I'll see you all back in the morning. Fingers crossed things are better in the morning. Take care of yourselves and each other.